Okay, this is a Mazak quick turn Nexus 200 Roman numeral 2 M turning center. You have live milling, tailstock, collar chuck, parts catcher. You also have another larger collar chuck and a 3-jaw chuck. Mazak Matrix Nexus control. Machine again is doing 2007, and we're going to run her for you. All right, we're running right now. Spindle is going. Great.
You want to go live?
Yes. Okay, we're going to index the turret and go to a live tool. And we're live. Yep, this is a milling. Okay. Great. Okay. All right, now we just need the tailstock to move. Great. Again, this machine's got the tailstock. It has a turret with live milling. You have a parts catcher, collar chuck. Machine also comes equipped with another larger collar chuck. You have the chip conveyor. That's your coolant pump motor. Coolant pump. And here is your serial number, the year 2007. Thank you for watching our video.